Here is a scary fact. Most people will reach at the age of 65 with a less than 10,000 saved for their retirement. Not because they did not work hard enough, not because they did not earn enough money, but simply because nobody ever taught them that how money works. I don't want that to be your story, and that is exactly why I created this channel. Welcome to Wealth Root, the place where we turn financial confusion into financial confidence. My name is Max, and I am passionate about one thing: helping everyday people like you and me and take control of their money. I am not a Wall Street banker and not a millionaire giving advice from a yacht. I am just a someone who studied finance and learned the real rules of money and want to share everything I know for free right here on YouTube. Here is the truth. Nobody tells you. School teaches you the history, science, mathematics, but it never teaches you how to budget. It never teaches you how to invest. It never teaches you how to get out of debt or how to build real lasting wealth. This is a massive problem. And that gap, that missing education is exactly what Wealth Root is here to fix. On this channel, I will show you that how to create your budget that will help you to stop disappearing your money at the end of each month. How to investing even if you have $100. How to destroy your debt using proven strategies that save you thousands in interest. And how to grow real wealth over time. And how to build multiple streams of income so you are never dependent on only one paycheck. The exact money habit and mindset of people who achieve financial freedom. No complicated jargon, no boring lectures. Just simple, real and practical advice that you can apply today. So, if you are ready to stop stressing about money, if you are ready to stop living in paycheck to paycheck, if you are ready to take control of your financial future, then hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notification that you can never miss any video. New video drop every Tuesday and Friday. Your Wealth Root is start today and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.